Ever wanted to create an epic scroll animation where your text morphs into an image, just like those award-winning modern websites? In this video, I'll show you how to build a smooth, scroll-trigger text-to-image morphing effect using HTML, CSS, and GSAP. It's super clean, super cool, and ready for you to use in many different sites for actual creative project stuff. Now let's scroll it backwards to see how the image morphs back to text as well. If you like what you see, then subscribe to my channel, it's free anyways. Before we start building this scroll animation, make sure you have a CSS and JavaScript file set up. We'll also be using the GSAP ScrollTrigger plugin, which is linked in the HTML. And of course, we have an image that we'll be animating with the text today. Let's start with the HTML. It's simple and structured just right for a scroll-based animation. First, we will have a heading wrapped in AH1 tag with the class empty. This acts as a full-screen intro section that fills the viewport before the animation kicks in. Next, we will have a section with the class pin section. This is the core part of the animation. It stays pinned while we animate elements inside it. Inside this section, there will be headline container, which holds the text we'll be animating, AH1 with the class headline. This is the text that will scale and disappear using a clip effect. Lastly, there will be a div with the class image reveal, which is placed underneath the headline. This will animate into view with a circular reveal as we scroll. Now for the styles. We're making the headline text show the image inside it using background clip text, and then animating with clip path. The image reveal is placed underneath with an initial opacity of 0. Asterisk and body, reset default spacing, set consistent box sizing, apply base font, dark background, white text, and hide horizontal overflow. The empty class creates a full screen centered message as the intro before scroll animation starts. Pin section is a tall section where all the scroll animation effects happen. Headline container will be a sticky, full-screen flex container that centers the headline, while the headline will be the animated text with a background image clipped into the text, which scales and gets clipped. Image reveal will be a full viewport background image that's initially hidden and revealed with a circular clip animation. Now let's get into the JavaScript. This is where all the scroll magic happens using GSAP and ScrollTrigger. First, we register the ScrollTrigger plugin so GSAP knows to use it. Next, we create a timeline and attach it to a scroll trigger. Here's what's happening. Trigger tells GSAP which section to watch, in this case, pin section. We will start the animation when the top of the section hits the top of the screen. We also end it when the bottom of the section hits the top of the screen. Scrub 1 links the animation to your scroll position, with smooth easing. And pin true keeps the section fixed during the animation so we can animate elements while scrolling. Now let's animate our text. We're scaling the text up to 5 times its size and also clipping it inward from all sides using clip path. This makes it look like the text is zooming and fading away at the same time. Next, we animate the image where image reveal will reveal the background image by increasing its opacity and expanding a circular clip path outward from the center. The 0.5 means this starts a bit after the text animation begins, creating a nice overlap between both effects. And that's it! With just a few lines of GSAP and ScrollTrigger, we've created a really smooth, scroll-based text-to-image morphing animation. Let's check out the final result of this text-to-image morph scroll animation using GSAP and ScrollTrigger. And hey, I don't gatekeep. The full code is linked in the description, so feel free to grab it. If you found this helpful, I'd really appreciate your support by watching my other videos and subscribing to the channel. It's totally free, and it helps a lot. If you have been dealing with my dead humor for 9 minutes straight, then